everyone, welcome to my channel e-learning zone. Today we will do The Rebel from class 7 NCERT Honeycomb. D.J.N. Wright is the poet of the poem The Rebel. Before we start with the poem, let me describe you who a rebel is. A rebel is a person who does not accept the norms or the rules of the society. In the poem we see a rebel, someone who is an adolescent and as every other child in the age wants to be different from others. So let us start with the explanation of the poem. Here we will take four lines. We will make stanzas of 4 lines each. So the first stanza is, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So here the poet says that when the rebel sees people with short hair, he will let his hair grow long. And when everyone else grow their hair long, what he'll do? He'll get a haircut and cut his hair short. The rebel gains a pleasure by going against his peers. So now the next 4 lines. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Now in these lines what happens is, again in these lines his rebellious nature is shown. And when everyone is talking during the lesson, the rebel prefers to stay silent, and when there is no one talking during the lesson, he tries to create a disturbance. This is done to seek attention by going against others, by doing that what everyone else is not doing. Now the third stanza or the next 4 lines. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everyone wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Now here what happens is, to show himself different from others, he will wear colorful clothes, party dress or gaudy or fancy dress, when everyone else is in uniform or is in the sober dress. And when he would see everyone wearing party dress, colorful clothes or the fancy clothes, he would dress soberly. He would be dressed simple. The rebel has a habit of showing himself different from others. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So what it says is, it is not just one case, it is everywhere. When the rebel is in the company of dog lovers, he would prefer the cats, he would prefer to stay around with cats, and when he is in the company of cat lovers, his choice, his preference, everything changes, and he would speak good about dogs, or he would favor the dogs. His choice would never match the group that he is into. His choice never matches with that of the people he is surrounded by. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So what happens here is, be it in any situation, the rebel has opinion or thought different from the rest of the crowd or rest of the people that he is with. In case of the weather as well, when the rest of the people are praising the bright sun, when the rest of the people are happy with the sun, the rebel would prefer rain. And when all welcome the rain, he would miss the presence of sun. So in the case of weather also, he is the same. He would not go with the opinion of what everyone else is thinking. He would have his own opinion. When everybody goes to the meetings, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So now, as we have seen in the previous lines, the rebellious nature of this person, same happens here as well. Now in this stanza, the poet says that they will always do the opposite of what others are doing. When everyone is going for the meeting or when everyone is going to meet people around, what happens? The rebel has his nature, and as his nature suggests, he would stay back alone, reading books, etc. And when others stay at home, this fellow would go for the meetings, he would go mixing around with people. Basically, here the poet highlights that rebel prefers to stay alone, they avoid others and would always take a different path. So okay, now let's have a look at the last 6 lines of the poem. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So the poet here says they don't agree with anyone. They here is the rebels. The rebels don't agree with anyone. When everyone around them is saying yes, they would say no. And when everyone is against anything, they would want to do it, they would like to have it, they would say yes for it. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Here the poet says he is happy that we have rebels in the society around us, as they help us to acknowledge, to understand our differences, and they help us to understand the things that are around us much better. But it is not good to become a rebel, because rebels are not accepted in the society and no one likes them. So we better not become a rebel. So that's all for today. Hope you understood the poem well. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment it down below. More videos will be out soon. Till then, take care. Keep learning. Bye-bye.